Did you know you can be a token owner on Solana network with these simple steps? Hello viewer, welcome to this episode of SMC Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create your token on Solana network using Smithy Tools. But before I get into it, if you have been enjoying our educational content so far, please do well to hit that subscribe button and buy into WikiCat Token, our educational meme token on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now, let's learn how to create our own tokens on Solana network. First off, on your browser, search for tools.smithy.io. And this is the page that appears. You have two options here, either create launch or create token. If you are looking to do a pre-sale, please use create launch. But if you're looking to create a token and make it a fair launch, tap on create token. If you are looking to create a pre-sale, please check out our other video, how to launch a pre-sale token on Solana network. But for this video, I will be teaching you how to create a token. Tap on create token and you will be given a form to fill for your token. Put in the name that you want for your token, your preferred symbol, or simply the short form of your token name. If your token name is not a long name like this angel, you can simply just use the name as it is. Choose your decimals, you can make it higher or lower. Decimals in simple language help to make your tokens divisible. I will be using 6 decimals for this. Then put in your total supply. I will go with 10 billion. Please do well to ensure that you have gotten all your zeros correct so you do not overcreate or undercreate your tokens. Next up, describe your token to anyone who sees it. What do you want to be known for? What's the story behind your token? And what does it entail? Next up, add an image that you want to upload, an image that will identify your token amongst all other tokens on the crypto space. Once you have chosen the image, it should show up as this. Next up, you can choose to add your social links and tags. Put in your website, your Telegram for the coin, the Discord handle, Twitter handle, and any tag that you want to use for your token. Next up, we can go into advanced options to ensure your token doesn't look shady and it has some specific things for you and for your branding. First off, you can choose to modify creator information. Here you put in your creator name and your creator website for transparency and validity. Next up is the custom address generator. Here, instead of just having random letters and numbers for your token, you can choose to add a prefix or a suffix for your token. But here you have to note that both the prefix and the suffix cannot exceed 4 characters. In essence, if you put 2 characters for the prefix, you put 2 characters for the suffix, or you put all the 4 characters in either the prefix or the suffix. I could go with ANG for my characters. If I try to put more, it would flag me. As you can see here, that's flagged me. You cannot exceed 4 characters. And please note that these functions would require you to make a payment of 0.1 SOL if you want to modify some certain things while creating or launching your coin. So here I can choose my prefix to be ANG. This is good for branding, this is good for making the token address unique, but however, it does not affect the token address functionality itself. The next option will be multi-wallet supply distribution. Here you can choose distribute the token to some wallets on creation. This is best if you are creating tokens as a group or a group of developers. Here you add in each person's wallet. So for publicity, you can add your token on DEXTools and socials and banner for 3 SOL. Here your token will appear on DEXTools and to be as a banner on DEXTools. This is best for publicity, as I mentioned, to give your token a good visibility amongst many other tokens on the space. So if I tap on this, it will show you that you need to set in your website, your Telegram handle, your Discord handle, your Twitter handle, and your token logo, and the banner that you want to be displayed on DEXTools. Next off, you can choose to revoke the authorities that Solana gives. Revoking these authorities makes your tokens more trustworthy to investors, that they know that they are not going to get robbed or they're not going to get scammed. But please note that once you revoke these authorities, they can never be corrected, neither can they ever be changed once you launch your token. Moving on, tapping on revoke freeze would mean that no one will be able to freeze any tokens holder's account anymore. In essence, when an investor buys a coin, he or her wallet cannot be flagged or blacklisted, which means they would always be able to buy or sell your token. Revoke means that once you set your supply, it cannot be added to, neither can it be changed. This is best to avoid inflation of a different coin and to ensure price authenticity of your token. Next off, you can revoke the update. This means that no one will be able to modify the token metadata anymore. This simply means the name of the token cannot be modified, the token symbol, these things cannot be modified anymore. Once it is launched, and it immediately becomes like that forever on the blockchain. Once you have done that, you can see the total fee to create your token will be 2.8 Solana. Connect your wallet and pay the total fee for creation, and then you would have your own Solana token on the Solana chain network. If this video has been helpful to you, please do well to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on post notifications to be the first to view any of our tutorial videos that is being released. See you in our next video. Goodbye.